Hi guys, it's Larry from Larry's Living Light, and I have got the creeping crud. I'm sick. I guess everyone else has been sick throughout the holidays, and I finally got it, so if I sound funny, that's why. But I did want to do a really quick unboxing for you of my Cricut haul. If you've seen on my Facebook page, there were some notices that Cricut was having a huge sale. It was a build your own bundle sale they had right around Christmas time. And I was one who kind of ignored it and didn't pay attention. And then at the last minute, I really looked at it and thought, you know what, I need some iron-on. I have a pretty good selection of vinyl, but I don't have much iron-on, and I need it for some of the projects that I'm working on. So I took a look, and I'm so grateful I did. This was a fantastic sale. Again, it was called Build Your Own Bundle, and it was, I think if you bought $50 worth of supplies, you got $25 off, and if you bought $100 worth of supplies, you got $50 off. So I'm going to unbox this for you super quick and show you what I got and show you how much I saved. Alright, let's go. Okay, so I'm going to pull these out one by one and give you some pricing and info. So the first roll I got is the multi-pink. Again, these are all iron-on. This is a multi-pink glitter. And I hope this is going to pick up okay, but it's super pretty. This is kind of like a silver, black, and pink pieces of glitter that sparkle in here. Very, very pretty. So this is originally $11.99 per roll. And of course you can pick it up at Joann's. I think Michael's has supplies with a coupon. But again, this is the unboxing from my Build Your Own bundle. Next one I got is the Royal Blue. Super pretty glitter. This is regularly $11.99 per roll. And the rolls, by the way, I think they might vary in size. This one is 12 by 19. This is 12 by 19. So okay, they're pretty standard. Next one I got is iron-on silver, plain silver glitter. This one's regularly $11.99. Next one is white, and I thought this was just gorgeous. Oh my goodness, can you see that? So it looks like white glitter, white background with sort of a white and silver pieces of glitter that reflect. Why does it look like it's not focusing? There you go. Regularly $11.99, 12 inches by 19 inches iron-on. I got the eggplant. So it's a really pretty purple. It's more like the blue, the royal blue. It's kind of like a royal purple. Iron-on. Regularly $11.99. I got the Spring Meadow Sampler, and this is foil versus the glitter. And there's a little bit of a glare there, but you can see there's silver, green. What is it actually called? It's actually called Chrome, Lilac, Pink, and the green is called Lemongrass. You can see a little swatch down here. So Chrome, Lilac, Pink, and Lemongrass. So this sampler pack of iron-on foil is usually $19.99. There are 4 sheets, 12 by 12 inches. I also got the rose gold foil iron-on. Very, very pretty, very popular color. This is one roll 12 by 24, and this is normally $12.99. And the last one I got is this metallic blush, and this is again a foil, not a glitter, but it is an iron-on, and this is regularly $12.99. I just think that is adorable. It's kind of looks like maybe a little bit flat metallic pink finish. Very, very pretty. In fact, I should probably open this one a little bit so you can see it. Can I open it? Here it is. So it's shiny, but it's kind of flat at the same time. Very, very pretty. Okay, so the final total was $105.92 was my subtotal. Shipping and handling was free. I got a discount of $50 for doing the sale bundle. And I also got a 10% discount for being a Cricut Access member. And I also got another 15% for using a fellow Cricut maker's discount code, and I use Ken's Creations. His code was KK15 in 2017. I know that their codes have updated and Cricut has changed the discount from 15% to 10%. So his discount code now, if you ever want to use it, is KK10, I believe. Yes. So with all of those discounts, it brought my total down to $44.05. Now, in addition to all of that, $100 worth of material for $44 I thought was just amazing. In addition to all those discounts, I also used my Ebates program as I was shopping. So I logged into my Ebates account before I went into my Cricut account and did my shopping. And that will be giving me, I believe it's a 2% discount rebate straight through Ebates. So that'll be coming direct deposit into my account. They can do direct deposit or mail you a check, and I just do direct deposit. So every month or every quarter I get a direct deposit straight from Ebates for any rebates that I've been shopping. And that is an amazing discount. You should definitely take advantage of. I've been using Ebates for, about 5 years now, and so I can tell you wholeheartedly it is 100% legitimate site. It's really easy to use, and they give you rebates on almost any site that you can shop on. You can shop with Amazon and get rebates. You can shop at Target, Walmart, Cricut. I've even done software. So if you buy software for your computer, you can get rebates through them for that. I've done it for GoDaddy for website purchases. I mean, there are thousands and thousands of stores that you can shop at and get rebates directly deposited into your account just for using their portal. So definitely give it a try if you haven't yet. And I hope you were able to take advantage of this sale. If not, keep it in mind. If one of these type of sales come up again and you see something, definitely take a look, because I almost passed this one by and I'm so glad that I didn't. So I've got a ton of iron-on now, and you'll be seeing some more projects that will be including my iron-on. Alright? So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for spending the time with me. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this was helpful. And please do give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell for notifications. And just please remember to always be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. Thanks, guys.